Hello and welcome to a video that will change the way you pursue your dreams. Today, I'm excited to introduce the Vision Board digital tool. This interactive platform helps you visualize and achieve your aspirations. Let's dive in and bring your dreams to life. Feeling scattered? The Vision Board digital tool solves that with a user-friendly interface that blends creativity with action. In the Vision Board tab, create your goals by filling out 4 simple fields: goal title, background color, image URL, and goal description. Click Add Goal and watch your vision come to life on the board. Drag and drop to arrange your inspiring collage. The Action Plan tab lets you break down goals into actionable steps by adding an action, due date, and status. The Help and Guide tab explains vision boards, guiding you on areas like career and personal growth and tips for success. Why use this tool? It brings clarity, sparks motivation, and keeps your goals manageable with consistent steps. Get the Vision Board digital tool now on Hotmart. It's an investment in your dreams. Click the link in the description. Let's hear from you. What's your biggest dream? If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe.